Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a guided meditation, a crystal meditation focused on self-compassion, self-acceptance, and self-love. For those who are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki Master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your daily life. And this crystal meditation is an opportunity to work with some gemstones to help you look at your life and improve your life. And today we're going to be working with the heart chakra and pink gemstones. So this can be a difficult time of year for some. It's mid-February and Valentine's Day is rapidly approaching, and that can have people feeling highly sensitive to the amount of love in their life or feelings of lack of love. But it's important to remember that we all have access to a source of love for ourselves, and that is within. And we often forget that. But we need to be our own best friends, and we should be our own best friends. And that is a really difficult thing to say to ourselves these days. There are a lot of societal expectations on us. We have our own personal high expectations. And in this world of social media and just easy access to looking at the presentation of everybody's lives, it's really easy to become our own harshest critics, whether it's we're not feeling good enough as a parent, a spouse, a friend, at our job. Like, we really know how to judge ourselves. And with this meditation today, we're going to be taking some time to just step away from that and see ourselves as our own best friend. Now just think about that. When you think about that in your mind, that phrase, I am my own best friend, does that come easily when you say that? Take a moment and think that. How does that feel for you? Can you even say it out loud? Try it. And if you are comfortable with yourself, that is phenomenal. And this meditation can just help give you that extra boost of appreciation that we all deserve. And if feeling friendly towards yourself feels uncomfortable or challenging, then this is a perfect meditation for you. For this meditation today, we'll be working with pink gemstones, and any pink one will do. This is rose quartz, but rhodonite, rhodochrosite, pink calcite, manganese calcite, unakite, which is green and pink, but those are both heart chakra colors. Any of them will help. So if you have one of those, then take a moment to go get it and set that aside for when we start the meditation. But you don't have to have a gemstone to benefit from this meditation. The visualizations will help you, but the crystals help us kind of unblock that and tap into that heart chakra to make this a little bit easier for us. The next thing that you'll need is a comfortable seat. So that can be on a cushion on the floor, it could be in a chair, it could be directly outside, but as long as you can sit comfortably for about 10 to 15 minutes and feel alert, then we are ready to begin. So I invite you to close your eyes and take some slow, deep breaths. And just start to get comfortable in your seat. And as you sit, bring your attention to those areas of your body that are touching the chair, or your cushion, or the floor beneath you, and notice how strong that connection feels, if it does. And remember that you are sitting on top of the entire earth. You are supported by its entire mass, and you have connection to all of the earth's energy. And it will support you during this meditation today. And if at any point you feel a little overwhelmed by this meditation, then just come back to feeling your connection with the earth. Just come back to that. And bring your attention to how your body feels right now. Is there any tightness or discomfort, or are you feeling pretty relaxed? And then take note of, how your emotions and your mind feels right now. And we're not trying to change anything or make it any certain way. We're just checking in and noticing what's going on for us right now. And when you think the phrase, "I am my own best friend and I love myself," how does it feel? How does your body feel when you think this? I am my own best friend and I love myself. How does your heart feel? What thoughts enter your mind? I am my own best friend and I love myself. And if you have your pink gemstone, then pick that up and put that in your non-dominant hand. And this is your receiving hand, and it will receive the energies from the stone. And sit for a minute and just breathe as you hold the stone. If at any point tapping into feelings of love feels difficult, you can hold it directly over your heart center. For right now, just hold the stone and breathe. Rose quartz helps us tap into our ability and our access to love. And this is with all pink gemstones. Now bring to mind someone you love dearly. It can be a parent, a friend, family, boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, or child. Anyone that you really, really love deeply. Can you picture them clearly in your mind? Now bring up that sensation of love that you feel for this person. When you think of them, how does it feel when you picture this person in your mind? And it could be a pet. It doesn't even have to be a human person. Just allow that sensation of how you feel for them to rise up and fill your body. Just try to feel that sensation. then picture yourself sitting right in front of you. And this may seem strange at first, but try. There are a lot of visualizations in this meditation, and as you repeat it, it will get easier. Picture yourself sitting in front of you as you feel, unedited. Does this image of you feel content or happy, overwhelmed, exhausted, disappointed in yourself, frustrated with some aspect of yourself, maybe wishing you were different or better or doing something differently? Whatever comes up when you think about how you feel about yourself, let that be in that image of you in front of you. See it and feel it. If you start to feel overwhelmed, remember to bring the stone up to your heart center. Now try to bring back that love, that sensation of love that you felt for your dear one. And if you need to picture them standing off to the side, then do that. So bring that love back to your heart. Remember how you felt about that dear one, that dear pet, and let that fill your body again. And then imagine sending all of this light out to this image of yourself sitting in front of you. Just pour this love out to you. And you can imagine a bright pink light just exuding out from your heart to the person in front of you. Imagine this pink light surrounding this image of you and holding you like a deep hug. Like you might feel for a friend that has had a really bad day or is in pain. Like you would send this love to them. Send it out to yourself, this image of yourself, and sit with this for a minute, just sending that love to you, to this image of you. At any point it feels difficult to send this love, to gather it, then place the pink stone in front of your heart center and help it amplify those feelings of love out to yourself. Like you would care for a parent or a child or a friend that has had a really bad day. Send this love out to you. And then let the image of yourself in front of you dissolve. Let that dissolve away. And bring this pink light and love to yourself, to your physical self, and surround yourself with this pink light, with this sensation of love. I am my own best friend, and I love myself, and I can care for myself and have compassion when I'm not feeling well. And I can forgive myself when I feel like I've done something to disappoint myself. I can have compassion for myself when I'm feeling critical. We are not perfect, and it's okay. It's okay to not be perfect. Just feel this love for yourself. Let it surround you, seep into you. You are a wonderful soul. There is so much wonder about you. And hold this love for a couple more deep breaths. And then release all of the images. The pink light go. And just come back to your breathing. When you feel ready, then open your eyes. And thank you so much for joining me today during this crystal meditation, where we can just focus on giving ourselves a really nice energetic hug straight from the heart. And it's important to remember that we're here to support ourselves, and it's okay to have flaws. It's okay to not be perfect. Those are unrealistic and impossible expectations. We do the best that we can. We give ourselves compassion and rest and self-care when we need it. Then we can pick ourselves back up and try again. That is okay. So thanks again for joining me today. And if you found this meditation valuable, I have a lot of meditations on this channel that can be helpful to you. And every single week, I review a different gemstone and how it can support you in your daily life, and meditations on how you can connect with those gemstones to bring improvement to your life. I also have a lot of heart chakra gemstones and jewelry on my website, and I'll have the link to that in the description below. But if you found this valuable, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. Thank you so much and have a wonderful week.